Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the book exercises of the lesson Mouse Maiden, and we are going to discuss two important topics, homograph and conjunctions. Conjunctions are also called the joining words because they join two sentences. For example, in this sentence, the mountain is big but the mouse is small. Here, but joins both the sentences and makes the difference between mountain and mouse more clear. Next one, the mouse maiden did not want to marry the sun because he was very hot. Now, here the word because is a conjunction. It's joining both the sentences. And the third one, the mouse maiden did not want to marry the cloud or the wind. Here, or joins the sentences. Clear? Now let's do an exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions from the box. And, because, but, or, so. You are given few conjunctions and you have to choose the correct one. First, he is rich dash, he is not happy. So which one do you think is suitable? It tells us about two different things. So what do we use to show the contrast? Yes, but he is rich, but he is not happy. Second one, do you like the red frock dash the blue frock? It talks about the choice here. So what do we use when we have a choice? Or, do you like the red frock or the blue frock? Third, I was sick yesterday dash I did not go to school. Being sick is the reason for not going to school. So when reason is stated in the first part of the sentence, we use so. And if it is given in the next part of the sentence, we use because. So here reason is mentioned in the first part of the sentence, so we will use so. I was sick yesterday, so I did not go to the school. Fourth one, we cancelled the picnic dash it was raining heavily. Now it was raining heavily. This is the reason why picnic was cancelled, and the reason is mentioned in the later half of the sentence. So we will use because. We cancelled the picnic because it was raining heavily. Fifth, the wind began to blow dash soon it started to rain. So what do you think is left here? Yes, and the wind began to blow and soon it started to rain. We have used and here because and joins similar sentences. The wind is blowing and it is starting to rain. So that is why we use the conjunction and. Use the conjunction in brackets to combine the sentences in each pair. Now this is very simple. In the brackets you can see there are conjunctions and you have two sentences. So what you have to do, using that conjunction, you have to join both the sentences, okay, and make one complete sentence. First one, turn off the light, go to sleep. Now these are two separate sentences. Use the conjunction given in the bracket to combine these two and form one single sentence. Like this. Turn off the light and go to sleep. Isn't this simple? Let's do the next one. There were no apples. I bought some pears. And in bracket we have so. So very simple. There were no apples, so I bought some pears. Let's look at the third one. I wanted to meet you. You were not at home, but. So you have to put the conjunction in between and join both the sentences with but. I wanted to meet you, but you were not at home. Okay. I could not buy the book. It was very expensive because. I could not buy the book because it was very expensive. Last one. Will you buy the green shirt? Will you buy the yellow shirt? And in bracket or. We have a choice here. And now we need not repeat the whole sentence again. Will you buy the green shirt or will you buy the yellow shirt? No. We do not need to write will you buy again. We will just write it once. Will you buy the green shirt or the yellow shirt? Okay, or makes it clear that will you buy the green one or the yellow one? Okay, children. So this was the first topic we did. Now let's move to another topic. Today we are going to learn about homographs. Now what is a homograph? Homo means same, graph means written. So the words which have the same spelling but different pronunciations are called homographs. For example, look at these two sentences. There were TEARS in his eyes. The puppy TEARS, the newspaper. Now you can look at both the sentences. Here spelling of the word is same, right? TEARS, TEARS. But now observe the pronunciation. There were tears in his eyes. This is tears. The next one, the puppy tears the newspaper. So the first one, tear, means the drops of water from eyes. But in the next one, tear means ripping paper into pieces. So both the words have same spelling, written in the same manner, but both the words have different pronunciation, right? That is why these are called homographs. Let's move to the next one. Now read these sentences aloud. Pay special attention to the words in bold. All these words in bold are homographs. Okay, let's read. First, strong winds blew the posters away. Now you know this wind and you know the pronunciation. Wind is moving of air. So here the winds spelling is WINDS and it is the same spelling in the second sentence. A path WINDS, but it is pronounced as winds. A path winds through the thick forest. So now you can look at both the words. The spelling is same, but the pronunciation, the meaning is different. That is why winds and vines both are homographs, right? Written in the same manner, but different pronunciation and they have different meaning as well. Coming to the next one, ROW. It is pronounced as row or row. In the first one, I had a row with my friend yesterday. In the second one, he wanted to row the boat to the bank. So in the first one, row, that rhymes with cow, this means quarrel or argument. Okay, he had an argument with his friend. But in the next one, he wanted to row the boat to the bank. Now this refers to propel a boat. Okay, third one, A part. Rakesh was asked to lead the team. Next one. The lead of this pencil breaks very easily. So here, lead the team means to guide or to direct. So here, LEAD in the first sentence and second sentence is same. The spelling is same, but the meaning is different in both the sentences. The second one is lead, not lead. The lead of this pencil breaks very easily. So it refers to the metal in the pencil. Okay. Now let's move to the next one. Fourth, he stood on the bow of the ship. B part. The archer was ready with his bow and arrow. Now BOW is same in both the sentences, but the pronunciation and the meaning is different. He stood on the bow of the ship. It means the front part of the ship. But in the next one, he was ready with his bow and arrow. Here bow means a stringed weapon used to propel arrows. Alright children, so these are the homographs and we are going to look at some more examples.